one petition was filed by Rohan Desai regarding some GCA issue. What was the contention and what is the order?
The petition was not filed by Rohan Desai. It was on behest of Rohan Desai that he should be. The 5 managing committee members who have come to this court calling upon for a meeting so that nominations can be sent to the BCCI. Now they had preempted that they were preempting a name of Rohan Desai. Okay, without even taking a meeting, and they were just calling upon the president and the secretary to go ahead and give that name without even calling a meeting. So today the court has said and hold a meeting today at 2 o'clock.
And what would be the agenda?
The agenda is sending nomination to the BCCI for the purpose of BCCI elections.
Thank you.
This is a small.
Whom you had represented?
We are representing the association.
Yes, thank you.